Cbse Class 4 Science. Soil erosion and soil conservation. Soil. Rocks are always weathering, breaking, and changing. Weathering of rock means breaking of rocks to smaller and smaller stones and finally into soil. Blowing winds, flowing and dripping water, and temperature change causes the weathering of rocks. When rocks break into tiny pieces, they become soil. Soil is very important. Plants grow and get nutrient from soil. So, no soil means no plants. No soil could mean no life on Earth. Layers of soil. One topmost layer of the soil is called humus. It contains rotten plants and animals. 2 roots grow in topsoil. It contains many minerals and some humus. 3 next layer is subsoil. Humus is in less quantity and minerals are more. These minerals are brought from the upper layers by the seeping water. This soil is hard and less porous. 4 next layer is the bits of weathered rocks. 5 last layers is the unweathered rocks. Types of soil on the basis of sand, silt and clay humus. 1 clayey soil, size of soil particles are very small, water holding capacity is good, very little amount of air is passed through it, not suitable for growth of plants. 2 loamy soil, size of soil particles are a little bigger than the clayey soil. Hold sufficient air and water, best suited for plants' growth, consist of clay and humus in proper amount. 3 sandy soil, particles are greater than loamy soil. Water holding capacity is less. Not suitable for growth of plants. Residual soil, soil which remains at the place of its formation. Transported soil, wind, running water and glacier transport this type of soil to another place from the place of its formation. A colluvial soil, soil is transported due to gravity. Alluvial soil, soil is transported by the flowing water. Mountainous soil, this type of soil is found in mountain region formed by clay, shale, limestone and sandstone.
Soil erosion. As the wind blows and water flows, they shift the soil with them. Carrying away of soil by wind and water is called soil erosion. This soil erosion makes the fertile land barren as minerals and humus are carried away. One wind blows away the top layer of dry soil. It is worse in the area with less or no plants. Strong winds like dust storms and sandstorms are example of erosion by winds. 2 water, when it rains, water carries away soil with it. Stronger the flow of water, more soil it carries. When the water flows downhill, it carries lot of soil along. This river flows over villages and towns causing flood and destruction. Rounded pebbles, rounded hills and deep river valleys are all examples of erosion by water and wind. Human activity. Roots of plants and trees help in holding soil together. But when people clear the forests and cut down the trees, this natural barrier against the erosion is lost. This cutting down of trees is called deforestation. When grass and small plants are eaten by animals, leaving top soil exposed and unprotected. Plowing hillsides also loosens soil, which can be eroded easily. After harvesting, soil is left vacant, so erosion by wind and rain takes place easily. Soil conservation. Soil is important for living beings, so we should conserve the soil. 1 reforestation, again plants and trees should be planted whenever they are cut down. Grasses should always be grown on hillside to prevent soil erosion. 2 embankments should be built along the river banks to prevent river from flooding. 3 when the farms are left vacant, farmers should plant seasonal vegetables or fodder for animals to protect the soil from erosion. 4 step farming should be done to reduce the speed of flow of water. And also we don't lose the soil as it get deposited to the next step. Land and soil pollution. Factory waste with harmful chemicals are dumped into the land. These carry lot of germs which are harmful to the land. This human activity makes land and soil poisonous and dead. Plastic bags and thermocol are dumped into the earth, not letting air and water pass through. These non-biodegradable waste cannot be broken down by bacteria or living things. Even the small plants and tiny animals cannot survive on this land. So they just die, creating a patch of dead land. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.